Hey everybody, Gina DeLuca here. Okay, I'm going to mess around with these earth tones one more time. I'm going to do another straight pour with these same colors, but with just Floetrol. There's no DecoArt pouring medium. I have the DecoArt Burnt Umber and DecoArt Warm Beige. I have Artist Loft Old Gold and Copper. And I have Artist Loft White Flow Acrylic. For my base coat, I have mixed some of the gold with the white, which gives you a nice creamy color. That actually looks a hair thick. These are mixed 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint with my 90% water, 10% Floetrol mixture added to get the proper consistency. The proper consistency would be when you drizzle the paint off of your stick and it lands in the paint in the cup, it disappears immediately. If it sits on top even for a nanosecond, too thick, you may not get the results you're looking for. What we're doing today is another straight pour. I don't usually do straight pours on canvases this small, but I'm running out of my medium-sized canvases, I would say. So, more experimenting. All right, I'm going to add the paints to my cup first, and then I'm going to lay down my base coat. So, white is the most likely to fall to the background, so I'm going to put that in my cup first. That will be the last to come out, and then it will sink, and then you stretch, and you get cells. I will do copper next. And my copper isn't sinking, which means I won't get my copper cells. Bummer. This is the beige. This should sink. And it is. I'll do my brown next, also sinking. These are also the only 2 colors that I'm using, the beige and the burnt umber, that are matte. And I find that the matte colors tend to sell. And my gold is sinking. All right. So we will be getting beige, gold, and brown cells. Let me put down a bit of a base coat to give that pour something to slide around on. Okay, our base coat is down. Let's make a mess. Oh, Lordy. Well, I just dipped my finger in that. That's a first. Pop some bubbles. Not sure where my brown is. I'm not seeing it yet. There it is. Starting to pop up. I'm just going to lose that center because I want these cells to pop up. And that white was just overpowering and it wasn't covering any of the colors that would sell. Now I'm just moving it around. The more motion, the more stretching. Get your schmutz when you see it. The more motion, the more stretching, the more cells you will get. I'd like to get a little more of this down here. All right, I'm gonna let that sit for a minute or 10, and we will see what transpires. Back in a few. Okay, here it is. It's been sitting for a while. Lots of cells. The lacing in between the brown cells is a coppery color, which is, I'm sure, going to be pretty when it's dry. I do like this lightning-like lacing that the white gave. A nice subdued piece for those who are not all about an entire rainbow on the canvas. Okay, well, that's it for me for today. I hope y'all enjoyed. Please like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. Do check out the description box for links in there to my website, to the PayPal tip jar, should you so be inclined, and my Amazon store, which any purchases you make when you enter through the store, I make a small commission of at no extra cost to you. It doesn't have to be something in my store. So when you're shopping for that big screen TV, think about your girl. Okay, that's it. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Hope you have a beautiful day. Go make some art.